Once a time, an entrepreneur, Mr. Rocky, went to develop a business software, but he don't know how to start this process. Then he visited to Icing Lab corporate office to describe the software development process, and he asked to help desk officer how software development works. Then this officer told, "Please tell me your business category," and Mr. Rocky then told, "I have satellite company in Bangladesh. We works for a strong satellite signal of Bangladesh, and I want to operate all employees from my home." Now this help desk officer told, "Go to software engineer desk." Then this engineer told, "You need a office management software. To develop this software, we need to more requirement to fulfill SDLC process." So for now, what is SDLC? SDLC is software development life cycle, and in this SDLC process, first of all need to understand client's requirement, then start development. In this SDLC process, we need to start the planning phases. In this planning phases, the development team will sit for collecting all the basic requirements of this software. In this requirement analysis phase, they will discuss about details information about these software requirements, design, development, and validating the installation this software, etc. And this design phases, they need to design the software and start implementing. And implementation phases, they need to write proper code, refactor code, and stable code. After then, testing phase, the development team will test the whole application in lots of way. So after then, need to deployment phase, and once the software is ready, then deploy to the hosting. So at this moment, Mr. Rocky, the got all phases, planning phases, requirement analysis, designing phases, and everything. So this client is satisfied. So Mr. Rocky got the best software and can operate at home, and got the best development team, and he gives a special thanks to Icing Lab.